Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are not new. My name is Jenny and today we're going to be doing a what's in my carry-on bag. And for my carry-on I do use my Louis Vuitton Neverfull GM, and this is in the monogram print with the Vachetta leather straps. So they are untreated, which means that it's going to darken over time, but they are a little bit that is actually the true color of it. It did get a little bit dark because I did leave it out in the sun, and even when I got the bag I feel like it already had kind of like a honey golden color to it, and it actually, I don't think that it was used because none of the leather around it was wrinkled or anything. I've seen some consignment pages, they say like, oh, it's brand new, never used or whatever, but there's like wrinkles on it. Like obviously it was used, like you don't have to lie. Yeah, also I did get a question, do I still purchase from My Barbie's Closet? And no, I do not. I feel like they have a lot of their products overpriced and I don't agree with that. I believe that consignment is something that should be a lot less than what you would pay for retail. That's just my opinion. Sometimes they do like to take advantage of limited pieces and spike up the price, and I'm really against that. I know the POSTMATES, obviously it's going to be over retail, or it'll be like with tax like on the market. So yeah, I'm just like not a fan of like consignment shops like spiking up prices for things like that, and it's just, I don't know, each to their own. I know some of you guys might be like, well, you know, that's how business works, but well, that's not how I mean, that's not how you're gonna get my money. So yeah, I don't really buy from them anymore. This was actually the only product that I purchased from them, and yeah, I'm pretty much happy. The rest of the things that I do want, I will probably just get in stores, and I don't really have a reason to follow that certain consignment shop anymore. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in my bag. Let's go ahead and start off with the bag charms. So this is my puff ball from Zoomies. I have left a link before in my Speedy B video, but I will go ahead and link this down below as well, just a white one. And then I have my luggage tag here. This is from Louis Vuitton. This is a smaller one. Then I have my Paris lottery charm. I didn't go to Paris to get this, by the way. I got this in Mid-City at the Grove. So yeah, there's a lottery there, and there's also one in Beverly Hills, I believe. But yeah, so those are my charms, and I love them. I think they're super cute. And they're both just on my luggage tag clip because I don't want it on my actual clip for my bag. So looking at my bag from the inside, this is a bit of a mess. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and go through this with you guys so you can see. If you guys are coming from my Speedy video and you notice that the audio has changed, it's because I'm not using my mic for this video. But yeah, I do apologize, but I just have too much to do, like I said. So first thing I have is my Alma BB right on top. This is the bag that I will be using for my trip. Yeah, that's what the BB looks like. And then I have the strap inside. I have my wallet, some sunglasses, my AirPods, a tampon, and a key ring, and that's about it. That's all that I really need in here. And then after that, you guys can just see it's so filled. This is like absolutely crazy. It is pretty heavy, but I don't really mind because this just sits right on top of my suitcase, my roller suitcase, when I get in the airport. So yeah, this is my electronics bag. So I have chargers in here, my mic in there, a cord for my light up mirror that I use for my makeup, and then I have my external charger cord, and then I have some extra SD cards, and then I also have some scrunchies in here because when I am editing, the first thing I do is put my hair up and I just like get down to business. So that's for like editing purposes, just to get my hair out of my face. So that's what's in here. Next, I have my water bottle. This is filled right now because I am drinking my water daily, but I do recommend to go ahead and empty this out when you're going through TSA, and then just go to a Starbucks or something and have them refill it with water. So yeah, I'm going to be bringing this water bottle. This is from Target. Next I have, I'll just go ahead and go through this first compartment, I guess. Next I have a bag of snacks. So I have some Annie's Chewy Granola Bar, and then I have, let me go ahead and just open this so you guys can actually see. So I have the Nature Bar here. I have some seaweed snacks, just in the sea salt version. I have some oatmeal just for the plane ride if I don't like the food. In here I also have some green tea. You guys can see there it says 4 tea bags, and then I do have honey sticks as well to put in my tea because obviously you can't bring a big bottle of honey on the plane. And then I also have gum in here, just extra, just in case. So that's what I just have in this Ziploc bag. The next thing I have in here is this little case here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this basically houses hand wipes, and then I have flushable wipes as well, and then I also have a little Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer right there, and I just have it in here just so I can see which wipes I need. Whatever when I do need, I just go ahead and grab it. So this organizer is actually from AliExpress, so I will link it down below, but my laptop is just right in here. Next, I guess I'll just go ahead and take this whole compartment out because that's what the rest of my bag entails. So this compartment, like I said, is from AliExpress. I think this is a much better view after most of the stuff is already out. But here I have my Damier Ebene Cosmetics case, and this one I have the exact same thing inside that I showed you guys. I have keys, some perfumes, some Advil hand sanitizer, and a mirror in there. And then here I have 2 wet wipes. This one actually only has 1 in it. That's why I have this one for easy access when I'm getting on the plane to wipe down my seat. And then here I have my external charger. It's just this little port here. I have my Apple charger right there, and then just my external charger. And then I have my mini push-up here. And in here I have some Kleenex, lip balm, and eye drops. And that's what it looks like in there. And then also some hair ties, just in case. And then the next thing I have is this bag here. So I'll go ahead and just open it so you guys can see what's inside. First off, I do have a lot of face masks and eye masks in here just because the flight is only, I think, 4 hours, but I do like to do a face mask almost every 2 hours just so my face doesn't get dehydrated and it's prone to creating more oils, which also creates a lot more pimples. So I have that in there, and then after I do that, I like actually just spritzing my face. So this is my, oh, I have a hair in there. This is my facial mist. It's a Super Collagen by DHC mist, and collagen is really good for your skin, so I highly recommend it. And I also mix this in with the Mario Badescu aloe water spray, so that's that. I have a Scentbird perfume. This one is the Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. And then I also have a Belief moisturizer. This is just a mini one because I do like moisturizing my face after I'm done with my face mask. And then I also have the Laneige sleeping mask because when you're on the plane your skin can get super dry, so I highly recommend to bring something like this on the plane, or just like a really good moisturizer that you trust for your lips because it gets really, really dry up there. And then I'll go ahead and take out the masks here. And this is just a bag that I got from the Glossier showroom, and I really like it because it is really padded and it's pretty thick and sturdy, and I really like it for just carrying, you know, really thin items like your face masks. So I highly recommend to just go to the Glossier lounge and like buy a few items just so you can get this because it's really cute and it's really functional as well. So for face masks, I will be doing some on the plane as well as off of the plane. When I land at our hotel, we're staying at the Ritz in New Orleans, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. So I have the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I got this in a boxy charm. I have the Skin Iceland Hydrofirming Cool Gels. I have this hyaluronic acid because I'm all about moisturizing my skin when I'm on vacation. So hyaluronic acid, really, really great. And then Wander Beauty eye masks once again. And I usually use these only when I am flying on the plane, so my under eyes don't get really dry. So yeah, that's why I only have 2 of these. And then a hydrating sheet mask. And then I have these 2 hydrogel masks. So as you can see, the theme is, you know, to really moisturize your skin because my skin is really, really dry. So I would really recommend to, you know, get whatever masks suits your skin type the best and just go from there. Just gonna put everything back in here. And then I had facial mist all the way at the bottom, I believe. Scentbird perfume. And then I'm going to put this cream on that side and then just have this right in the middle. This does close. I have quite a bit of product in here, so it wasn't really my plan, but just kind of ended up that way. So yeah, everything is just in here. Next I have my glasses. I do need these every single night. I take out my contacts and then I'll just have this and use it at night or in the morning, and they are by Warby Parker. Yeah, and then I have a hand sanitizer in here just for quick access. And then I also have my notebook that I told you guys that I use for budgeting and keeping track of my finances. I don't want to overspend when I'm in New Orleans. So I do have a budget for every day for like food and stuff and then tipping. And yeah, that's basically it. And then I also have to manage, you know, my income that comes in. I think YouTube's payout is on the 21st. So I do have to count that, take that into account for my monthly like checks and stuff. So yeah, that's what this is for. And I do like to just make sure everything's on track while I'm away on vacation, because I will stress out if I come back and my balance is a lot less than what I expected it to be. As you can see, the Neverfull just kind of slouched down. This is a lot more slouchy than my Damier Bean, so I'm a little bit surprised, but let's go ahead and just put everything back in. So we're just gonna go ahead and open up the bag like so. I'm gonna go ahead and slip my insert right back inside, which was going this way. And that's what it looks like. And then now I'm gonna put my laptop. I kind of want to put it in this way just so it doesn't like stress out the canvas. So yeah, I'm just gonna, actually I should put this in last. So this is what the inside of my bag looks like. Mine was made in the USA, so that's why there's like this little tab just frilling there. Okay, let's start stuffing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in here where my hand towels and stuff were. I'm gonna put the wet ones back where they were, which I think was in here. Oh no, I think in this pocket. Actually, did I just turn this thing backwards? I think I did. But yeah, so my wet one's in there. I'm gonna put my cosmetic pouch in here, my mini pochette right in there. I'm gonna put this obnoxious face kit in here, and I just have to bring this, like I have to have face masks, so yeah, I'm gonna put that up straight actually. And then my water bottle right in there. I'm going to go ahead and just put this right in front of my water bottle just so it sticks like that. So that's what we're looking like right now. And then, is that a better view? So that's what it's looking like right now. And then I'm gonna put my glasses right up here. Just gonna stick them in there. So that's what it looks like. And then my snaps can just go right on top, and I don't mind it to go on top of all that stuff because it's fine, perfectly fine. And then my Alma, of course, and then I'm gonna just take my laptop and put it horizontally, I guess, because that's the best way that it fits. And then I'm just gonna take my Alma and put it right on top. I'll even lay it down, I think. Yeah, more than likely how I would carry it. So yeah, that is everything that is in my carry-on bag. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. I know that it might seem excessive to some people. Some of these things I could probably put in my suitcase carry-on, but I do just like having all of this in front of me while I am on the plane. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm sorry I don't have lashes once again. I know I look like a little strange. I think I look weird too, but I'm going spinning after this with Ipsy, so I don't want to have on like too much makeup just because spinning is hard and you sweat a lot, and I have a Peloton here and it is just, from experience, you don't want to have makeup on, but I did put a little bit on. But anyway, that is everything that is in my bag. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below right here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!